This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by rob.dansereau. Recently updated 3-bedroom home with great natural light that is conveniently located in Knox County. This basement ranch has an open floor plan with tile and hardwood throughout. The eat-in kitchen with shaker flat front cabinets walks out onto a private deck. Each of the 3 bedrooms is a nice size and the master has a half bath. The basement has lots of storage, an additional finished room, and a 1-car garage. This is a must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact rob.dansereau at 865-584-4000.